Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday. It is March 2nd. I just wanted to say that I got all of our post-tests done for February and our pre-test done for March. So I just wanted to say thank you to those students, everybody. Thank you to everybody for working so hard. Well done. I'm so proud of you. You are amazing. So all this says here is all the post-tests for February are completed and the pre-test for March. Thank you, students, for accomplishing those with me. Many students did a great job with 100% scores. Way to go. You are so smart. All the hard learning every day makes a difference in your brain and personality. Okay, so on N2Y today, we have our word study. We have our word study standards connection. Now, we will just do 3 a day. On the directions, it says 1 slide. So 3 words is the 1 slide. Okay, I meant, hold on. So we're going to count the word, we're going to count our definitions, 1, 2, 3 on that box. But what I meant was 1, 2, 3. So that's 1 slide with 3 words on it: forecast, meteorologist, and thermometer. So then on our standards connection box, we will do then these 3: forecast, should be meteorologist, and thermometer. So these 3 words you are doing today. Now, again, I'll explain. We don't have to do that whole box. We are just going to be writing the definition. So you can Google the definition, copy and paste, and we're choosing the part of speech, whether it was a verb, which is action, an adjective, which describes, or it's a noun, person, place, or thing, and write it in a sentence. So you will do, what kind of word is it? Thermometer. Is it a person, place, or thing, a noun? Is it an action word, a verb? Or is it a describing word, an adjective? Then you will write the definition and then write it in a sentence. Okay? Just those 3 things you will do. Then reading, you will complete what should Pam wear? So read that chapter again, and then complete the comprehension questions.
There's more to do.
So go ahead and save and exit when it asks you for those, because we'll have to keep doing those this week, 3 a day. Our leveled book, and then here's your reading comprehension questions. And then we have our writing complete the edit box, so I'll complete this with you. A capital letter begins each sentence. Titles of books have capital letters. People's names have capital letters. Names of places have capital letters. A period goes at the end of each sentence. We're going to be looking for 4 words that need a capital letter and 3 places that need a period. Okay, before we start this writing activity, I'm going to have you guys get a piece of paper. Okay, so you all will take notes with me as I complete this. We are going to complete just a little graphic organizer on what do we capitalize. So on here, I'm going to write, what do I capitalize? So you all write, what do I capitalize? So we're going to use this acronym called MINTS. So MINTS. MINTS. So we are going to capitalize. The M is going to stand for months and days, months and days. So our birthdays get capitalized, the month, each month gets capitalized, and then the day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Those all get capitalized, months and days. The I stands for I. So when we write I in a sentence, you and I will go to the store. We use a capital I when we're talking about I, ourselves. The N is going to be names of. Names of. People. Places. And streets. People's names get capitalized. Our friends' names get capitalized. Places get capitalized. Like I was thinking of a restaurant. Fazoli's. And then streets, where what your address is, your street gets capitalized. And then our T is going to be titles. So the titles of books. So titles. Titles of books, titles of movies, titles of newspapers, things like that. And our S is going to be start of sentences. So start of sentences. So those are the things that are going to get capitalized. So if you need to pause this, go ahead and pause it so you can complete months and days, I, names of places, titles, and start of sentences. Okay, so let's go through here. This is a book report about what is in the air by, so Maggie is her name. Maggie needs to get capitalized. This is a book report about what is in the air. What is in the air, that's capitalized, by Maggie Gardner, period. Okay. Start of sentences. Starting of a sentence. I. The I needs to be capitalized in it. It is important to know about the weather, period. New sentence. Start of a sentence. A. Capitalize A. A weather forecast helps us prepare for what the weather will be like, period. Knowing the weather can help us choose clothes and things to do, period. I like this story because, okay, I gets capitalized because I want to be ready for the weather, period. Okay, so let's go ahead and check 4 words that need a capital letter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 places that need a period. 1, 2, 3. We got them. So then this next slide, just mark these. Yes, we did a capital letter. Yes, we put our punctuation. Yes, we read our sentences out loud together, and all words are spelled correctly. Turn it in. Okay, so that completes writing. Now math. You have 2 different things to do on math. You will get onto Freckle and you will complete the assignment 76, measurement and data. This is picture and bar graphs, kind of like a review. So it's a little quiz that you got on Freckles, so you will just have to complete that. Or you can just go directly to this link. Just make sure you are logged in under yourself. And then on N2Y, we have positive and negative numbers. So these two boxes are positive and negative numbers. Now I added 2 different videos because we all learn differently. There's one video that talks about it on a number line, how we have our positive numbers and then our negative numbers in 0 in the middle, and it's talking about it on the number line. And then this next video here, I put in parentheses using positive and negative blocks. So it's taking green as a positive and then red as a negative, and it puts them together and it cancels them out. So you will watch that in the video. So like say you have 2 minus 1, you put these two together and you have positive 1. So it'll explain it like that as well in that video. And then our life skills lesson. This today is on, okay, I did not take this off. So if you have a check by it, yes, you completed it. But I did not move that little toggle switch that I have as a teacher to reassign it. So I didn't want to take it off in case you wanted to look at it and do it again, or you can make edits to it. So that's not something you have to do today. It's just on there as a review if you want to continue to do that. But today's life lesson will be on our Google Classroom. I have added the link here. I put found on the life skills lesson Google Classroom, you will find the assignment, making smart choices. So you will watch this YouTube video on making good choices. And then on the Google Classroom as well, I have posted watch this, and then you all will complete the making smart choices exit slip for that. Number 1 says, we make choices all the time during the day, true or false. Number 2, what you choose to do is up to someone else, true or false. Number 3, the key to being able to choose well is to choose immediately, is not to choose immediately. Number 4, stopping to breathe and think is always a good thing to do before choosing something, true or false. Number 5, in the video, she explained feelings are used like a. So do we use a personalities feelings chart or do we use a traffic light? Number 6, something that is not nice is the color black or red. Number 7, deep breaths and focusing on in and out breathing are used with this color to are used to help with making decisions. Amber, yellow, or blue. 9, what color is the choice being made? So when you make the choice, is it yellow or green? And then 10, making smart choices are not always easy, but it is important to stop, think, breathe, and then decide, true or false. So you will complete that. Don't forget to submit that. And then for money skills, I have put a Kahoot game in. So you will just copy and paste that into your Google search. And here's the Kahoot money skills game that will pop up for you. Enter your name and play. And then science, my CK12 students, for earth-based science, you are doing inductive reasoning. So you will have this to read, the real world application, so how it relates to our world today. And then you will have the adaptive practice to complete. And that is it. I hope everyone has a terrific Tuesday. Don't forget to sign in. I'll be watching everybody as you log in this morning, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye.